Join me in this 4-minute exercise where I balance my meridians and see if it really works. Kidney. Circulation. Triple woman. Like an extension of the autonomic nervous system, acupuncture meridians are just another pathway that we get information to different parts of the body. And conveniently, they're like one circular river throughout the body. We can influence that by stimulating acupuncture points with needles, with lasers, with touch, and simple hand pressure, or believe it or not, close enough to electrically affect the body as well. Let's get to it. This is a really easy way to move energy through those pathways using your hand. We are electric. There are concentrated areas throughout the system where there's more energy. We actually produce a lot of energy right here out of the palm of our hand, right here. You may have felt that before, where other modalities, laying on of hands, Reiki, massage, manual therapy in general, that heat coming off the hands. That's chi or energy, whatever you want to call it. But there is some information that's moving through that. Let's get to moving more of that energy so we can break down any blockages that show up from stress and strengthen ourselves so we can be more resilient and pain-free. All right, guys, actually, it's pretty simple. But you need a good place to stand with your shoes off. And this is actually going to create a lot more flexibility than you think. So if you're having a hard time already touching your toes, it's going to get a lot easier with this process. First off, let's check range of motion. Any pain or stress or anything else you got going on like that. And then we're going to warm these hands up. Remember that spot right in the palm of our hand? That's what we're aiming our chi from and distributing, pushing that chi through the channel. So see, conception vessel starts on the pubic bone and ends on the chin. So start within a few inches of the body. We're just going to be within a few inches of the body and push that energy up to the chin. Other hand. Keep doing it. 3 to 5 times. Good. Next line. The governing line. See, that starts on the tailbone, comes up the spine, up over the head, and ends on the top lip. So we're going to start on the tailbone, kind of push the chi up the spine, catch it, come over the head to the chin. Same thing, up, over, push that chi up the spine to the brain. Good. Now let's go through the 12 major. Remember, this is one circle. We're just going to go in a circle. We're going to start with stomach. Stomach starts on the cheek, comes down. So I would touch the beginning of the meridian and then come down around the cheek, front of the chest, front of the hip, front of the thighs, front of the chin, all the way down to the second toe. I'm touching my second toe. I'm going to go now to spleen. Inside the middle toe, inside the shin, inside the thigh, all the way up to the armpit and down onto the side of the rib. Now we're going to go to heart. Heart starts in the armpit. It goes out to the pinky. Heart, armpit, out to the pinky. Now, small intestine. Back of the pinky. Back of the hand. Back of the arm. Back of the shoulder. Up to the cheek and right in front of the ear. Back of the pinky. Back of the shoulder. To the cheek. To the ear. Now we're at bladder. Bladder starts on the eyebrow, comes up over the head, and you'll notice there's a double line by the spine. So it goes down the spine, down to the butt, back to the top, down again, down behind the leg, all the way down to the pinky toe. Now we're at kidney. Kidney starts at the bottom of the foot, underneath that solar plex area. Comes inside the ankle, up inside the leg, straight up to the collarbone right here. Next is circulation. Starts on the lateral side of the nipple, goes out inside the arm, inside the elbow to the middle finger. Nip out to the tip. Next is triple warmer. That is the ring finger, the back of the ring finger. We're going to come up over the wrist, back of the elbow, back of the shoulder, top of the shoulder, up over the ear to the side of the eyebrow. Ring finger, behind the arm, top of the shoulder, over the ear to the eyebrow. And you'll notice that gall bladder starts in the same spot, right beside the eyebrow. Zigzags beside the head a few times, goes to the top of the shoulder, behind the shoulder, side of the ribs, side of the thighs, all the way down to the ring toe. Now we're back to the big toe at the liver. Liver comes up on top of the ankle, inside the knee, all the way up to where the liver would be. Lung starts right on the front of the shoulder, up the top of the elbow, out to the thumb. Lung, front of the shoulder, top of the elbow, to the thumb. Large intestine. Large intestine starts up to the top of the elbow, top of the shoulder, side of the neck, to the side of the nose. Index finger, top of the elbow, shoulder, neck, to the nose. We've gone in one circle. We're back to stomach now. Now, if you don't have these memorized yet, it's okay. Take your time, watch that portion again, or follow through a normal chart and you'll get used to the basic structure of it. We're not walking every single inch of the meridian in perfect measure. We're pushing in general in that area, the chi down the channel, just like wind over a river. It's okay. If you get it wrong, you're not going to hurt your body. Once you get used to the pattern, it really takes less than 4 minutes. We're going to quickly go through it. I would suggest going through the loop 3 times, okay, when you're ready. So here's the full, quick version. Stomach, spleen, heart, small intestine, bladder, kidney, circulation, triple warmer, gall bladder, liver, lung, large intestine. Start again. Stomach, spleen, heart, small intestine, bladder, kidney, circulation, triple warmer, gallbladder, liver, lung, large intestine. Start again. Stomach, spleen, heart, small intestine, bladder, kidney, circulation, triple warmer, gall bladder, liver, lung, large intestine, and close with central and governing. And check in with yourself. How does that feel? You're more powerful than you think. Now, how does that feel? Again, it's okay to make mistakes until you get the rhythm down, or just follow a chart. Go as slow as you need to. You don't have to go as quickly as we just did there in the video, but you still get the same result by moving that energy through those pathways. To add to that, if you want to think of a positive goal while you're doing the process, even better, because then you're giving yourself a little psychological pep talk, telling the nervous system and the subconscious mind exactly what you want to accomplish here. So before you did the exercise, go back and think about how you felt before and after moving that energy. I know we touched the toes a number of times, so of course you're going to stretch out the low back, but there's something different going on here when we're moving that energy and balancing the nervous system, because remember, range of motion is actually nervous system function. Leave your results down there in the comments below. Go ahead and like and share the video. And if you haven't already, follow the channel, because we love to make the world a better place, and we need people like you to spread the love.